This is a very famous place. Also, many great personalities come. Once upon Gandhiji, when he was visiting here in Rajasthan, he came here. Once upon a time, Alexander Sikandar came to this place, and as you can see that thing, it was used by Alexander Hitler. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. You can say it's a tourist place. The thing is that important thing is that this is a very famous place. It has a rich history of this place particular, and then whole region in general. So in historical time, people used to worship this place, and also many great personalities come. Once upon Gandhiji, when he was visiting here in Rajasthan, he came here. And due to this peaceful environment, people call it Mansarovar of Western Rajasthan. So people say that once upon a time, Alexander Sikandar came to this place. When he came to India, after conquering this region, he visited this place, and he stayed here. He loved this place, and as you can see that thing, it has also a historical significance. People don't understand significance of these things. That's why you can say it's not in good condition. But once upon a time, it was also a sacred thing. It's a sacred basket. So we can put it here.
Also used?
Yeah, it was used by Alexander Hitler. So it's been 2.5, or you can say 2000 years old. So he was very fond of this place. He stayed many times. Then he went. But then again, there is a story that a foreign ruler, he came to this place and he admired this place very much. He said that he wanted to build a fort here, a royal palace. But local people, they did not agree with that, and then the Prasasan intervened, and they said that you can't stay here. If you want to stay here, you can stay on the rent, and the condition was that you have to behave with those local people very pleasantly, and you have to cooperate them. So he stayed all the life here. He talked with local people, he learned local language, then he did some conservation of this environment. So you can say this peaceful environment, it was 2000 years ago like this, today it's like this. You can find here, go down the state, bird of Rajasthan, one of the rare bird, then you can find wolf, you can find leopard, lion, very dangerous animal. So it's the thing that if you want to stay here,
Danger?
danger it can be. So if you want to stay here, you have to take one of the local person like me to guide you and rescue you from those dangers. And you can also have some party thing here, party stuff. It's a good place. But you have to take care of cleanliness of this place.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What?
So if you want anything,
Nice,
I'll be